You ever just stop and realize no one's coming, not your parents, not your friends, not that future version of you keep promising yourself you'll become. It hits you in the quiet, like when you're lying on your bed at 2 a.m., staring at the ceiling, scrolling, waiting for something to happen, but nothing does, because no one's coming. And that's terrifying, isn't it? But it's also the beginning, because the moment you realize no one's coming is the moment you start building your own damn rescue. I'm Dr. Stick, and I'm here to teach you what schools, colleges, and universities never dared to. Not theory, not fluff, but the raw truths about life, mindset, discipline, and becoming the version of yourself the world isn't ready for. Chapter 1, you're lazy and you know it. You say you want it, success, growth, freedom, confidence. But then, you sleep in till noon, spend hours watching people who already did the work, telling yourself you're resting, but you didn't even earn the exhaustion. You hate the mirror because it shows the truth. You've betrayed yourself. You keep looking for shortcuts, hacks, motivation. But the truth is simpler than you'd like to admit. You're lazy, and if that hurt, good. That pain means there's still something inside you that gives a damn. Chapter 2, the moments that broke you. You weren't always like this. You used to care. You used to dream, bigger than your fear. But then, it happened. The betrayal, the heartbreak, the rejection that made you feel worthless, the failure that laughed in your face, and you changed. Not on the outside, but on the inside. A little more numb, a little more guarded, a little less you. You built walls, not because you're weak, but because you were tired of bleeding. But now those same walls, they're your prison. Chapter 3, you hate yourself. Let's be real. You don't just dislike your situation, you dislike yourself. The lies you tell, the promises you break, the dream you abandon. You avoid mirrors because you see the truth, not who you are, but who you could have been. But let me tell you something. That self-hate, it's not your enemy. It's your alarm clock. Wake. Upper. Chapter 4. You're destined to suffer. You thought life would be fair, that doing the right thing would eventually pay off, that if you're a good person, good things will come. But life doesn't care. It's not fair. It's a battleground. You get hit, even when you're innocent. And here's the part no one told you. Suffering is guaranteed, but growth, that's optional. You can suffer in regret or in discipline. Pain is the price either way. So choose your suffering, or it will choose you. Chapter 5, a new identity. Who are you, really? Not the version you pretend to be, not the mask you wear in public, but underneath it all, who are you becoming? The old you, the one addicted to comfort? He's dying, and he's gonna fight back. He'll whisper things like, just rest, start tomorrow. You're tired, but you know better now. Every time you ignore his voice, you're not losing a piece of yourself. You're shedding dead weight. Chapter 6, fight back. Start ugly, start shaky, start anyway. Wake up early, even if your body hates you. Lift heavy, even when your arms are weak. Say no to comfort, say yes to resistance. This isn't about motivation, it's about war. Every day, it's you versus the version of you that gave up. You won't win in a day, but each tiny victory, that cold shower, that finished page, that rejected distraction, that's a wound on your old self and a badge on the new one. Chapter 7, the way out, there is a way out. It's not fast, it's not easy, but it's real. It looks like this. You show up, you shut up, and you do the work. Regardless of how you feel, you build routines that turn into rituals. You keep promises that turn into self-respect. You become the person you swore you'd be, not because it was easy, but because it was necessary. No one is coming to save you, but no one needs to, because the person you're becoming, they don't need saving. They're the one doing the saving. For your younger self, for your future self, for everyone who ever doubted you. So get up, bleed forward, and build a life that makes your demons regret ever picking you. If this message hit you hard, don't keep it to yourself. Like, share, subscribe, and follow for more truths they never taught you, but you always needed to hear. This is your time. Fight like it.